In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Polygon in AutoCAD. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along. Whether you're new to AutoCAD or just need a quick refresher, we're going to create a polygon using a polyline. A polyline is perfect here because it lets you draw a series of connected straight segments that behave as a single, easy-to-edit object. To begin, click into the command line area and type Polygon, then press Enter. You'll see that AutoCAD is now waiting for your first point. Move your cursor to the spot where you want the shape to start and click once to set the base point. This is the first corner of your polygon. From here, you have two ways to define each side. If you know exact measurements, point your cursor in the direction you want the next edge to go and type a length on your keyboard. Confirm it, and AutoCAD will place a straight segment of that length in the direction you indicated. If you prefer to sketch by eye, simply move the mouse to position the next corner and click to set it. Either approach works, and you can switch between them as needed. Continue building your shape one side at a time. Aim the cursor to set direction, and either type a length for precision or click to pick the next corner. If you already use tools like polar tracking or snaps in your normal workflow, they'll help you align to common angles or existing geometry as you go. You can also zoom in or out while drawing to see details more clearly. The command will stay active while you adjust your view. As you add sides, keep an eye on the starting point. To finish the polygon as a closed loop, simply guide your last segment back to that original corner and click on it. AutoCAD will connect the path, leaving you with a clean, closed polyline that represents your polygon. Because it's a polyline, you can select it as a single object later, which makes moving, copying, or adjusting grips much easier. That's really all there is to it. Start pline, pick your base point, define each edge by combining mouse direction with either typed lengths or simple clicks, and then close the loop back at the starting corner. With a little practice, this becomes a fast and reliable way to draw polygons of any size and shape. Thanks for watching, and try these steps on a blank drawing to get comfortable with the flow. Once you do, you'll be creating crisp, accurate polygons in no time.